Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. And a pretty shaky looking chart. I'm not going to say the chart's destroyed because that wouldn't quite be fair. But yeah, it's definitely a very, very shaky, sketchy, drama-filled chart right now. And the level that, in my mind, that I'm not going to quite call it a do or die, but it's definitely a super, super important level going forward, is right here at 95 cents. Why is 95 so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to better explain myself, if the price were to come down to 95 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And again, price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then begin to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows down there. You'd have that low right there. And if you envision each of those as stair-steps, well, at that point, you'd still have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. So that's why, to me, 95 cents, very, very important level. It's essentially acting like our dictionary and helping us define what's going on, meaning is the price, quote unquote, going back to where it was, that being associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress, that, of course, being associated with bullishness. Now, in the very near term, if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, the key initial level of resistance is going to be right there at 125. And if the price can break up through there, then yeah, you actually have some room to run as the next level, not until technically up around the $1.75 mark. But in my opinion, at least right now, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about showing that, it's going to have the ability to make a sign of progress. So let's see if this thing can stay up above the 95 cent mark or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.